Guys, nag-sit up naman tayo ng ating pang talakito guys. Good morning by the way. And shout out to Mr. Gerard. He came to the guys and he have the order to me 4 pounds a day if I catching. By the way, this is my spot now because my spot my left side we have a cano because today is Saturday. Right. By the way, Merry Christmas guys and Happy New Year. Dito naman tayo sa spotan natin guys kasi sa bahay, boring talaga ako guys. Kaya this time, shout out sa lahat dyan. Si Mr. Beach in Sacramento, California, si Buan Journey in Las Vegas, and si Mark Rabago too. Shout out mo, Merry Christmas. Kaya dito naman tayo ngayon guys. Pag-try naman tayo catching. Yesterday over 50 pieces I've been catching the maputi and the one big mama guys. Now starting again. Alright, purchase natin guys. So, what activities today? Makikita nyo na lahat ng video ko ang mga activities dito araw-araw guys. Let's go. Good morning. Again guys, good morning. Continuous natin guys. This one is big size guys. Kaya playing because my line is a small line. Guys, nako, hallelujah. Tayuan ko na guys kasi mahirap pa itong makawala pa ito guys. Medyo malaki-laki pa naman ito guys. Okay guys, hallelujah ka. Ayos guys. At least kahit paano ulit guys. Mayroon naman tayong huli ulit. Di tayo na zero sa araw naman ito ulit. Kahapon, mga 3 days ang continuous natin fishing. Kaya na meron na tayong 15 piraso. Bago mag alas 11 yan, baka maging 20 na yan guys. At least continuous lang ganyan ng kalalaki guys. Po, enjoy lang. This is my run. Abandon ship guys. Abandon ship. Abandon ship. Everybody in the water and everybody safe. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 passenger. What happened? The another right side of body sit down. Everybody okay guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 passenger. 8. Oh wow. Good job. Let's go again. Lucky is very close. Alright, let's go. Almost abandoned. Enjoy. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year guys. Woohoo. Let's go. Push the water, go inside. Yeah, let's go. And Papa Jerry guys continues catching guys. Where's my fish? Let's go Papa Jerry. I don't know what happened my fish guys. Let me see. Let's go Papa Jerry. Oh, they're already guys. Come on mama. Yan, continuous na tayo catching guys. The good size and continuous. Almost we have paputi inside the boat guys. See? Alright, out the water. Let's go. And this is Papa Jerry guys. continuous catching. Woo! Guys, oh. Going bigger ang catching natin, guys. Guys, oh. Ayan na, guys, oh. Oh, tumawag sa grass, guys. Hirapan tayo nito. Ayun, laki, oh, guys, oh. Ganyan. Kaya may kito natin dito. Nakuha natin ito. Sayang to. Laki-laki pa naman to, guys. Yun, no. Right. Continuous natin to, guys. Damit ko si George Camacho, guys. May owner po my house before. Alright, guys, I'm done already, guys. Honest to goodness, guys. This time, guys, over 60 pieces of maputi ay catching ko di. See? And I have a video also, guys, the boat of canoe. Something wrong, guys, but we have a passenger 7, but still everybody is still okay. Yeah. And by the way, this is my catching today. I did 27 over 60 piece, guys. Not bad already, guys. At least mayroon naman tayong isda sa pang New Year natin nga paghanda, guys. Right? And this is it. And Mr. B, Merry Christmas po and Happy New Year dyan sa inyo dyan. Ayan, guys, ang ulit ko nga sa araw naman tayo ulit, guys. Alright, it's not big size. At least all the same size. Almost the same size. Alright. At least mayroon man tayong catching sa araw nito. Alright, guys, God bless you, guys. I love you, guys. And I love you, Mama in the sea. And I love you, Mama in the land. And God bless you, guys. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Enjoy this New Year, guys, coming. Almost 3 days already, guys. Pero 3 days, so next week. Alright? Yes, sir. Alright, see? At least meron naman tayong, guys, huli sa araw na ito. Yesterday and another day, but this time, this is it again. Don't forget, guys, using bread or sometime hot dog if you have. Alright? But it's better. Slice bread, guys. Thank you, guys. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. See you soon. Tomorrow again.